Hi, my name's David Whisel. I'm from Springdale, Arkansas. The reason I wanted to attend the Drone Command Live is because as a business owner, I've been in business for about 17 years, and in my time, I have never had any business specific training. What I've gotten so far in this half day to this point has been mind blowing. The strategic versus tactical marketing specifically is exactly what I needed to hear and learn. I'm anxious to hear what Diego's got to tell us and teach us about how to do the tactical marketing. I've been doing strategic for forever and have had little to no success. And I've already learned that there is a lot of things that I've been doing wrong, and I can't wait to hear how I can do it right. So if you've not attended one of these, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and get some business training for your drone business.